Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the new Galaxy Note 9 and the wireless charging stand that you can use for it. And so first I'm going to open up the phone here. So here you can see it's in its original box here, Note 9. Okay. Alright, and it opens up. Try to move the camera here. And right inside here is a little bookcase thing. Inside it, I think the user manual or whatnot's in it. Yeah. And that, I believe, is for taking out, for like using a USB or whatnot. Not USB, a micro USB. And right here is the phone itself. Looks very nice. I got the blue background, so it's got the yellow pen here. And there's a lot of stuff you can do with this one actually. The pen, it's got like the Bluetooth on it, so you can set it up and take pictures and whatnot. And I might make a video on that, how to use that more, or sort of do a review on the phone and its slow motion camera. I actually was using the phone a little bit. So right in the back here is a finger unlock, and that unlocks it. And it looks very nice. That if you look on the lock screen, whoops, you can see the colors on it. I'm actually using my old phone to record right now, the S6, so I'm gonna switch to this one after we get done looking at it here. It's not really much more to show it. Looks very nice. I'll try to find a picture here. Like here's a picture I took on it today when I was fishing earlier actually. It's a very nice phone in my opinion. And I'm going to be going over more of it later. So I'm going to use, like I said, this phone to record the rest of it just to show you the difference in the camera quality and everything. Alright, so I'm going to finish unboxing the rest of the phone here. So I don't need that. Take that out. And inside here is, first of all, a little piece. This is for transferring things from your old phone to your new phone. So you just plug in your old charger in the back, and you plug this into your new phone, and you can transfer things over faster. I'll make a video on that later. Here's the wall plug. Of course, it comes with the fast charging. And inside here are the earbuds. These earbuds work very nice. I was sort of testing them out, especially if we're coming with a coming for free with a phone. And it also comes with extra rubber plugs for them. And then there's this piece in there. I cannot recall what that's for. If any of you know, let me know down below. But what was also in there was the charging cord. I just couldn't fit everything back in. So here's that. It's not very long, but gets the job done. Alright, so now I'm gonna look at the wireless charging stand here. So opens like this. Okay. Inside here, little instructions. It comes with a wall plug, and it is fast charging. Looks like a pretty long cord here. And I got the one that's sort of angled when you set it down. And here, I'll grab this. Your phone sits in it like that. So I'm gonna try charging it because I got an OtterBox for my phone to see if that works with it on. I'm sure it does, but I'm gonna test that right now. Alright, so I just got done charging the phone here, and it did charge with the OtterBox on, so that's cool. Alright, so overall, I think the phone is very nice. It's got a really good camera on it, it runs really fast, it holds a very long battery on it, and I'm going to be doing more of a review of the phone later in a different video. I'll also be making a video of the pen here and what you can all do with it, because it's now Bluetooth, and it's really cool, some of the things you can do with it. And I'll be going over some things you can do to your phone, to the Note 9, to make it run faster or just run smoother and better. I'll be making a video of the thing inside of here, showing you how to move stuff from your old phone to your new phone using that. And I'll also be making a video of the camera on this phone and the super slow-mo, just sort of a little review on that, showing you how good it looks and stuff. Oh, I accidentally actually took a picture. So other than that, I thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you want to keep in touch and watch those videos, and check out the channel for some of the other videos I made. And feel free to leave a comment below of what you think of the phone, or if you have any other video ideas. And I just thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all later.